What's up, everybody? Joe with Just Jeep It. Working on the Wrangler today. Got some brand new Bilstein 5100 shocks going in. The rear shocks went in really good. Piece of cake. A couple bolts and it was out. Look at these bad boys. I don't know if you can tell, but the shade is messing up. Look at that. Barely moving. Original equipment shocks. So it was well overdue for replacement. So I wasn't even going to make a video because it's just replacing shocks, right? But I get to the front and I'm like, okay, where's the, oh, must be up top like all the other Jeep vehicles, right? The XJs, they're all up top through the fender. Yep. So, oh, huh. Well, let me check the other side, maybe. Huh. Where? Huh. I'm like, well, now what? What do I do? Get the angle grinder and cut them off and run without shocks? I don't know. I don't know what to do. This is new stuff, like I said, guys. It's not 30 years old. I don't know what to do. Well, I'm going to set you up and I'm going to show you what we need to do. Super quick. You really can't see it, but hidden behind this shock mount flange, there's a 16mm bolt and another 16mm bolt, which I suppose will go through here, and I guess we'll kind of weasel it through there, and I'm hoping it'll work. Maybe this little cutout will allow that bolt to go in, but that should be fun. But yeah, if you ever wanted to replace your JK shocks and you were kind of shocked when you opened up your hood and you looked down hoping to see this post staring you in the face, don't be so surprised. 16mm open-ended wrenches, and you pray to God they're not too rusted, which these aren't. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Is that what they say in the video? Oh God. The rust is kind of, there you go. Once you get it started, and if they're cooperating, you can use the shock to kind of twist it. Yeah, that won't work. What a pain. Oh my God, I hate using open-ended wrenches. I cannot stand it. Strip the hell out of everything. Oh my God, what a piece of garbage. This sucks. Why would they not give you a lot of room? I don't know. Give me some room. Don't make me work for it. I mean, like, why? Stupid. All right, just about done. Yeah, that's a good improvement over the old style way of doing things. Yeah, this is definitely better. I can picture how much fun this would be on a trail if something broke. Absolutely. Yeah, this is way better than the old design. Yeah. The improvement Jeep made for this shock mount is second to none. I mean, wow, really impressed. Way better than the old way. Yep, total improvement. Man, I'm just blown away. This is fun. This is great. This is fantastic. Oh, man, that's a way better design. Man, I am just blown away. Look at that. Can't get your damn wrench out of there. That's perfect. Look at that. This is great. It's all rusted and shot. How the heck do you get the bushing in there? I guess you sneak it by here. I'm assuming a lot of people will cut this out with a Dremel and remove this. I'm just not in the mood to do that, breaking out all these tools, and it just doesn't make sense. But I could see where somebody would notch it, notch it, and then just boop, just cut that out, and that would reveal that flat part. I mean, that's really the way to do it. But I'm not going to do that. We're just going to leave it as is. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Good job, Jeep. Great design. So one of the things you'll notice on the Bilstein 5100s is it doesn't have a bolt to tighten, to help you tighten it while you're tightening up the other side. All it has is this Allen head. I'm not sure if you can focus in on that, but it's a 5mm Allen head. So luckily this is all plastic. So what you do, and watch out for the noise, here it comes, is I took my favorite tool of all time, my multi-tool. And get it in there. And cut yourself some room so you can get that Allen head in there to tighten while you're tightening up the, I think that for this Bilstein, it's a 17mm bolt. So you'll need to do this with the multi-tool to get rid of all this plastic, and just be careful, you know, like with anything. That should help you tighten that bolt. That was a little bit of a mystery to me too, because I'm like, hey, where's the bolt on this side? And there wasn't one. It's an Allen head that you got to sneak in there. And I think what you'll need to do too, yeah, I'll cut that Allen, I'll cut this down maybe half size, and then we'll just put that in there. I think it's what we're gonna do. Let's go cut that real fast. Well, folks, you see I went the vice grip route and I was done in 15 seconds. This actually worked. I was able to sneak it in there because I cut the, I don't know if you can see that, I cut it down a little bit so it wasn't as long, and I was able to sneak it in there because I cut away all that plastic. I was able to sneak it in there, but it kept falling out and I couldn't get a good hold on it. I hate to do this, but if you think about it, right, this part of the actual shock shaft will never, I don't know, for lack of a better term, ever be traveled on. So I went up as high as I could go. I hated doing it, but you know, I wasn't going to make a whole career out of tightening this bolt up. But once I was able to get a good grip on, excuse me, a good grip on here, and get my ratcheting wrench on here. Let me just show you. These ratcheting wrenches are a little thick. See? Tightening. It's perfect now. It's a little over tight, so I'm going to sneak it out a little bit. And that's it. So, like I said, this worked with the little Allen head, 5mm, but this was way easier. I hated doing it because, you know, it's just not really the right way to do it, but it worked, and it was the right way to do it today. Didn't really mar the shaft, and then we'll just kind of pull that boot back up, and we'll be good to go. All right, nice.